And then raise your right hand. And ito one sa ating points. So let's go. Raise your right hand, everyone. At the hand, the one exempted. At the back, okay? And you need to repeat after me. This is what we call, once again, a pledge of commitment, okay? Let's take this seriously, okay? You need to follow me. Ako si... Sige, louder. Ako si... Hambal ang mga pangalan. Wala ka mga... Nanangangako. Louder! Nanangangako. At nanunumpa. Na hindi uuwi pagkatapos kumain. Alright, ha? So I think that we're doing this for table. So I think you need to start with table number... Okay, family picture muna tayo. Family picture. Let's go. Family picture. Together with the crowd mami. Yun. Once again, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the first elegant and magical birthday celebration of Jagus Ansam here at S5 Resort. Alis sa family picture ba tayo? Family picture both sides here now.
Wait lang.
So I request muna ang family from the mother's side to please stand up. Everyone will be doing check. We will be doing a picture cards or a picture of picture. Check. Once again, we'll be doing a picture cards or a picture per table so that we have a proper trafficking sa pagkaon. So can I request a family from the mother's side to please stand up? Check. Once again, can I request a family from the mother's side? Mother. Sa side ni Mami, please stand up. Let's go guys. Let's go. And family from the father's side, please get here guys, okay? Okay, ready? One more, walkie pose, Okay, thank you so much. Family from the father's side, please stand up. You know what, kaya ako sa picture, may ako na pusi sa photography area, okay? Okay, compress tayo guys, compress. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more smile. Happy detail, Monkey Pose, Monkey. Okay. So everyone, pwede na mga proceed sa booking area. So let's start with table number 1. Please stand up. Table number 1, picture muna tayo and then proceed sa booking area, okay? Let's go. Table number 1, table number 2, get the back, okay? And reminders to all the kids, after you eat, please don't go swimming yet, or we still have a lot of games in a magic show, okay?
Also, we have a surprise from the Iloilo Premium Mascot and more. Ready? Walking! Next people, please stand up. Let's go.
Feelings picture.
And according as well, I would like to thank you, our event organizer, who made this event become a horrible one. First of all, I would like to say thank you to this beautiful venue, all the staff of S5 Resort. Thank you so much. Once again, all the management, all the staff of S5 Resort, thank you so much. Okay, ready? Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, smile! Walkie folks, walkie! Walkie! Can we go group hug tayo, guys? Group hug, group hug! Group hug tayo! Group hug! Next table, please stand up. That table, please stand up. Give a picture na. That table, please stand up. Everybody, give up here. Let's go. Stand up, stand up.
Wala mo to. Drink. Wala mo to, drink. Bukan din ka balik mo.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile! Walkie folks! Okay, so next table, please stand up. Check, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Let's go, next table at the back, please stand up, guys. And this table, please prepare. You'll be the next one, okay? Walkie, guys.
Okay, guys.
Okay, next table, please stand up, guys. Let's go.
Wow, sarap. Thank you, guys. Tati,
Ready? Smile. Walking. Yes, sure, let's go. Come on, next turn, guys. On friends, let's go. 1, 2, 3, smile.